Good day, New York. Welcome back to part 5 of here, the island, Virgin Mary. And we'll begin the journey now, guys. So now, instead of starting from the right, we're gonna start from the left, guys. And I'm gonna show you why. Because there's something here. This is the picnic area. This is Guadalupe garden. Now, set your eyes on the floor. It's got a lot of writing. So, with that said, we begin the journey now. So this time we're gonna go from left to right rather than the other way, because as you can see, if I was to start on the other side, this would be backwards. So I want you to see everything that's in here. The entire path is and paved with bricks with names and Bible titles and stuff like that. Anyways, we're gonna keep going and see. Again, check this out, guys. That's a beautiful flower, guys. I will keep going. See, and that looks Hebrew. Again, feast your eyes on the yellow brick road and the more like the red brick road. See, there's a lot of names, plaques, even Bible, what do you call it, Bible themes, stuff like that. There is a non-functional fountain here, or maybe this could be the youth fountain, but we're gonna go around it because I don't want it to be, you know, as you can see. Oh wait, hold on, guys, hold on. I'll tell you what, let me do first the outer and then I do the inner, just like you know, you already know me. First, let's do the outer. You see? Outer. And now we're gonna do the inner. And here, you're gonna see the writing, I am all yours, oh Jesus, through Mary, your mother. Okay, guys, and now we keep going, as always. Now we're gonna go through here. You're gonna see a plaque in here, guys, with a rock is. And then, guys, we have another one here. Check it out. And we got flowers too. Nice. Now we keep going. You're gonna keep seeing a lot of these names. Thomas and June, Naphtali. The ones on the right, guys, are Hebrew names. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. The only plant here. Nice. See, Thaddeus, in loving memory of all Gregory and Leonard family angels. And then it says Ephraim, son of Joseph. So again, this path is mostly titles. That's what I'm going to call it. Yes, titles, guys. See? And then here we got the Holy Cross with Mary helping someone praying. Then we keep going, and you can see in this sunny, beautiful day. And here we have another rock. Okay, so again, see a lot of these titles and themes, guys, and it's gonna end right here. See, it ends right here, guys, with this one. This is the last one. And this is my collective right here. Say hello, guys. Say hello. This is my collective right here, guys. This is my yes. This is my collective from my metal church right here. Digan hola. También, ellos también, ¿verdad? Oh, okay, sí. See, collective. Check it out, guys. Ir por todo el mundo.
Y
Fe,
proclamar el evangelio.
fe, cultura y algo más. ¿Sí?
Ir por todo el mundo y proclamar
Y
el
proclamar el evangelio. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See, that's my collection right there. And now we go this way, and we're gonna go check out La Virgen de Guadalupe back there, guys. So we go this way. We're gonna be making a left right now, guys. We're gonna be making a left. We're gonna stay on the left, guys. See, and these guys also have, they got rules, man. They've got rules. See, check it out. Religious picnic area, no ball playing, no alcoholic beverages, no thank you. No fires, no radios. And now, let me show you the small square here. There's people right now, so I cannot video right now. There's people right now, so when they leave, then I'll show you guys La Virgen de Guadalupe. But for now, I'm gonna show you this. See, bench number 1, Galgano. Bench number 2, bench number 2. Bench number 3. Bench number 4. Bench number 4. Now let me show you something before we come back here, guys. See, there's another trail back there. I don't know where it leads to, but when we see, there's a gate back there, so we cannot go back there. See, there's another trail back here, but you see, there's a gate, so I'm not gonna go beyond that. Let me show you here. And now, guys, I can show you La Virgen de Guadalupe in its entire. Hold on. We gotta wait. Let me show you these streets in the meantime. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me show you around here, guys. See, that's why they keep the picnics and the lunches right here. Right out there. See? That's what we're having. And that's my collective. Back there. Okay, guys. Now I can show you in full spectrum La Guadalupana. There she is, guys. And check this out, guys. More titles and themes. And there she is, guys. Let me give you the full spectrum here. Let me give you the full spectrum right here, guys. I love the sun, bro. This is why I love spring, summer, and half of autumn, guys. Because sun gives light and life. Okay, guys, now we keep going. Now we go to the right, and we stay to the right. and we stay to the right. We're gonna finish the video all the way up there, guys. Let me show you what's back here. Check it out. To place the lights up there, guys. See? To place the lights. Let me give you a 360 right now. Just so you can see where we are, guys. You can see where we are. Again, that's my collective back there. Okay guys, and now we leave. We're gonna end up the video up there.
Entonces, Marta, ¿cómo tú vienes a decir? Mira esa botella caminando todo.
We're gonna finish the video back there, guys. Thanks again for joining me. And I will see you part 6. Thanks for watching. Bye.